Hi everyone. How's the weather where you are? Have you ever wondered what incredible inventions are just around the corner? Stay tuned to discover 15 amazing innovations that could change your life. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content. 15. Totem Planter. The Totem Planter is a vertical gardening system with interchangeable modules, utilizing hydroponic and aeroponic technology. It hydrates plants directly, reducing effort, waste, and mess. The included Smart Grow Bar uses Samsung LEDs for optimal plant growth, and the Totem app helps manage lighting and watering schedules. Available now for a limited time. 14. EcoFlow Glacier. The EcoFlow Glacier is more than just a cooler. With 2 separate temperature zones, it can generate ice cubes in 12 minutes and charge your devices. It's 8L capacity, holds up to 60 cans, and it's easily movable with a detachable lever and wheels. The smart software enables remote control via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Own it for $999. 13. Aeolus Robotics. Aeolus Robotics. AEO is a multi-function humanoid robot capable of opening doors, controlling elevators, and delivering medications. It aims to improve the lives of the elderly and those with health issues. The convenient mobile app allows control from anywhere. Rumors suggest AEO costs between $50,000 and $70,000 per unit. 12. Alarm Stop. Sleep. Alarm Stop. Sleep simulates daybreak by gradually increasing light brightness and color temperature, enhancing wakefulness and mood. Its vibrating bracelet gently wakes you up, avoiding loud alarms. The wristband tracks sleep quality and duration, offering personalized sleep hygiene suggestions via the app. Available for $199.99. 11. Anchor Solar F3800. The Anchor Solix F3800 is a portable power station that provides up to 6,000 watts of AC output and 3,800 watt-hours of capacity. It can power home appliances, charge electric vehicles, and store solar energy. With a smart app for energy usage monitoring, it's reliable and long-lasting. Available for $3,999 at Anchor.com. 10. Apex Maker X1. The Apex Maker X6. One 3D printer features a high-resolution LCD screen for accurate resin layer curing. Its large build volume and 180mm/hour printing speed make it suitable for industrial use. Equipped with a high-definition camera and touchscreen, it's easy to monitor prints remotely. Pre-order on Kickstarter for $3,999. 9. EcoFlow Blade. Robotic. The EcoFlow Blade robotic lawnmower scans your lawn, identifies obstructions, and plots the optimal mowing path. It doesn't require boundary or cable installation and can be managed via a smartphone app. With a 27-degree slope climbing ability and a large cutting width, it's available for $2,648. PISA H2 Loco. The PISA H2 Loco is the world's first hydrogen fuel cell shunting locomotive. It can pull trains weighing up to 3,200 tons and run for 15 hours before refueling. With autonomous driving and anti-collision systems, it's perfect for green ports and intermodal terminals. Expected to cost around $5 million. 7. Apple Vision Pro. The Apple Vision Pro connects the digital and physical realms, allowing interaction with apps, entertainment, and more using your eyes, hands, and voice. With a dual-chip architecture and spatial audio, it offers an immersive experience. Retailing for $2,999. It's the cutting edge of computing. 6. Airspeeder 4. The Airspeeder K4 is a hydrogen-electric VTOL aircraft reaching 225 miles per hour in 30 seconds. It handles like a Formula One race car and has a range of 300 kilometers. Set to commence races in 2024, this flying wonder costs between $1.5 million and $1.7 million. 5. Homeyer Garaventa. Garaventa specializes in ropeways and people movers, offering cable cars, gondolas, chairlifts, and funiculars. With over 15,400 installations in 96 countries, they provide innovative solutions for various transportation needs. Installation costs range from $1 million to $100 million. 4. YouGot Robotic Kit. The YouGot Robotic Kit allows you to create 7 different robots with a modular architecture. It includes a computer with CPU, GPU, and NPU chips for bionic mobility, speech recognition, and more. Ideal for learning and creativity, it's available for pre-order on Kickstarter for $256. 3. Voetch Smartwatch. The Voetch Smartwatch integrates smartphone capabilities, allowing you to call, text, use GPS, and browse the internet without your phone. Its bezel detaches to become a Bluetooth headset, waterproof and customizable. It's available for $1.99 on Kickstarter. 2. Lithi E Wagon W1 Pro. The Lithi E Wagon W1 Pro features electric propulsion and a 500 W motor, making it ideal for various outdoor activities. It has a 200 L capacity and supports loads up to 132 pounds. Foldable and portable. It's available for $449.99 on Amazon. 1. TCL Rainio X. 2. The TCL Rainio X2 are standalone AR glasses with a 16 MP camera, smart notifications, real-time translation, GPS navigation, and more. With 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, they offer a modern style and featherlight construction. Available on Indiegogo for $699. Thanks for watching. Which invention are you most excited about? Stay tuned for our next video. Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible innovations.